Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will show you how to change the language in DocuSign. If you want to use a different language for your account or need better accessibility, this guide will help you do it easily. On your DocuSign dashboard, click the gear icon or your profile initial in the upper right corner. A drop-down menu will appear, and you will click My Preferences. Under My Preferences, go to Regional Settings. In this section, you can change your language by clicking the drop-down button. Then, choose the language you want, such as English or Spanish. When you are ready, click the language you selected and then click Save. Your language settings will be updated. For example, once saved, the new language will be applied. This is how we change the language in DocuSign. Changing your language settings can make navigation easier and improve your experience.